Good morning. Hey. Welcome, chat. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, guys. Morning, afternoon, and good evening out there. Great to see you guys. Like the video and share the presentation, share the live stream with all your friends and trading communities and whatnot. We have requested our $10,000 payout. All the accounts that we have are paused because we requested a payout. So they're paused right now. We're waiting for the payouts to be approved, and we're waiting to start the procedure for the onboarding on the Ticktick Trader, guys. This is what I'm expecting, which means there is no Ticktick Trader going on today, because we are paused. Good morning, guys. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Not so sunny out there. Well, there might be sunny on the trading space. Trading space looks good, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. We just broke above 25,000 once again for Nasdaq. If we get to the 4-hour representation, this is quickly going back to that 25,350s. That's what it wants to do. Russell 2000 broke all-time high today. If we get into the weekly candles, you will be able to see that. We broke all-time high today on Russell 2000. The last time we managed to do this with the all-time high movement was basically the time the altcoins of the crypto space went also parabolic. I'm expecting something similar, guys. So it looks very bullish for today. It's not easy to trade this market structure. Laddering up. $75,000 in giveaway. Pretty happy about it, and we are ready. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, come on. Morning out there. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Oh, look at that, 20 points movement.
Order filled.
Let me reshort this. Let me reshort this, guys, with break even. And take profit right there. This is on Tap 1 Futures, the first trade for today.
Order filled.
We touched the break even. Good morning, guys. Thank you guys for joining. So the only thing that's not really moving with any enthusiasm is basically the world of cryptos. A really nice level here is this one for revisit. That one, guys, that's a really nice level. We're trading 120 points away from the daily volume weighted average price and 200 EMA, so we're far away from those. Right, so we have traded Ticktick Trader, Tap 1 Futures. I'm gonna post about them today, guys. Tap 1 Futures is coming back with 6 months anniversary. 6 months since it has been created and it went live. And it's 6 months since we're working with Tap 1 Futures. I'll have a special coupon code for you with a massive discount, the biggest one existent. And I'll talk about it, guys. I'll talk about it. I'll publish a video. And Savius is also having 60% starting buy today. Right, so there is a lot going on. We're going to have content on my channel, and we're going to talk about other firms as well. In the meantime, we are going to talk about other firms too. Pretty strong buying pressure here. Look at our Ticktick Trader journey with the second payout on this 5 accounts. Thank you. Thank you, Lindsay. Appreciate it. Just seeing out a little short
Order
here.
filled.
Not much, just a couple of dollars right there. Going for that couple of dollars mark. Putting the break even. Oh my god.
Order filled.
We actually touched the break even. 46 bucks for the moment. Pretty interesting how we getting rejected once again. Didn't expect that long candle to appear here. But it's kind of clear right now what we're dealing with at 25.25. If we look into a higher time frame representation, we're actually coming from a pretty significant resistance from the 14th, which was actually yesterday. This was our high, and we're actually touching the same structure. The market is bullish, and Nasdaq obviously not only wants to reclaim levels of 25,000, something that we have already touched, but it's clearly looking like it has energy with the whole structure pushing against going for the all-time high. Obviously, it's not a difficult thing to achieve that all-time high before the end of October. And then we have November, December. Still thinking about that 26,000. Still thinking about strong S&P movement above 7,000 mark. Still thinking about Nvidia getting back above the $200 mark. Gold is not going to have a bad time, certainly not. Any correction on gold is going to be heavily bought up, guys. So gold comes back to the 4,000 level or 3,800 is going to receive so much pressure that unbelievable. And then also something I care about is the Russell 2000s, which I'd like to see strongly heading towards the 3,000s in the upcoming weeks. Upcoming months, actually. Yeah. Now that's great. That's certainly good. So massive discount on board, pretty much everywhere, guys.
Order filled.
Testing out a little long here. Potential double bottom in place. Good morning, everyone. Make sure to like the video. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. We're having a great time. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Let's go. Come on.
Order filled.
I'm cutting a position.
Order filled.
Cutting another contract and buying cheaper if I get it.
Order filled.
Added back around 25,000.
Order filled.
Added one more contract here. Good afternoon. Welcome, guys. Looks like we're getting aggressive here. 25,000 didn't held. We got the previous pivot high here, which might give us something.
Order filled.
So I've DC'd a little bit, guys. And I'm not even... Oh, let me get out.
Order filled.
Oh. What on earth just happened there? Look at that.
Order filled.
Let me grab just a single contract. What on earth, guys? Look at that. That was a massive wick all the way into the 20s. Wow. Currently in 7 points balance over 556,000, so $6,000 buffer and 7 points. You are on the right track. What kind of news do we have today? There's nothing rat folder here. With a government shutdown. That's a very comfortable situation. $6,000 on a 50K account to have as buffer. You are having huge chances. 3 more days and you qualify for the payout. Good job, buddy.
Order filled.
Have buckled up. Double down on my position at this level. Make sure to like the video, guys. Join my Discord. Be subscribed.
Order
Added
filled.
one more contract here.
Order filled.
And another one.
Order filled.
And we hit the target, guys. There you go. We hit the target. Celebration time. Or $500 on the tap on futures. Celebration time. Like the video. Come on. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Hey. Big money, right? Let's go. let's go and connect the other accounts, the other 4. I'm gonna load up from Tap on Futures on a lot of accounts as soon as the huge discount that I'm gonna present you is going to start, is going to begin.
Order filled.
I'm gonna load up like crazy. Thank you guys, appreciate it. We connected the other 4 and now we're back in a nice long after this little retracement.
Order
I think this
filled.
wants to go up. I think we want to take some more liquidity out of that wick we had. Ignite accounts are driving me crazy, exactly. It's just total madness with the Ignite accounts. Thank you so much guys for joining, appreciate it. Wish you a lovely day out there. Bunch of excitement. So yesterday we got to the second cycle payout for the Ticktick trader, and we cashed out 10,000. We requested that. We're waiting to be approved, and with this it's gonna be $30,000 cashed out. That being said, we have hit the threshold, putting the stop loss and break even here. We have hit the threshold for live trading. So we gotta start as soon as we get approved and we get paid. I'll make a video and we will start transitioning into a live account.
Order filled.
We hit the break even here.
Order filled.
Let's see if we're going down a little lower.
Order filled.
Somewhere around this level. Or this is going to be a nice hold. I think we might just wick below the previous one. But we're going to find it out. I'm not going to get myself additional exposure. I'll have a nice stop loss there. And as soon as we get a couple of points down, I'll go break even. Because I'm not really trusting the markets.
Order filled.
Added more to this.
Order filled.
Added another one. We don't need the stop loss there. We have a $1,000 max daily loss, so we're not bothered by that.
Order filled.
Added another one. Just want to go break even.
Order filled.
And the target has been touched, which has been pretty obvious, right? 517 over here as well. Copy trading on 4 accounts. There you go, guys. Let's just do more celebration. More celebration. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it. We are running big time. Building these accounts that are having profits non-stop. They're profitable pretty much non-stop. Look at that. If this would be a live account, trading even this way with a daily loss at 1,000, double than your daily profit. So look at that. The ratio is, I mean, we do know, there's people telling you, if your winners are not at least double or triple than your losers, you cannot make money. That's what we keep hearing. Look at this. My stop loss is at 1,000. The target is at 500. Stop loss is double than the target. And this is on top on futures. Now look at this on Ticktick Trader. Stop loss is triple from the profits. It's triple, guys. But more accurately, on top on futures, you can see that. It's a total lie. Risk management depends on a lot of the things. The way you approach the markets of efficiency for your winners is also making a big difference. It's not the same you have a 20% winners, 80% winners. It's not the same. You have to adjust your numbers for the best balanced ratios. And this is something unique to every single person. This formula brought me a lot of the payouts. More than 50 grand on top on futures. And more than 30 grand. Actually 30 grand exactly on Ticktick Trader. Where my stop losses are bigger than the profits. The daily losses are bigger than the profits. We made money even this way. And it's been all on the live stream. It's very interesting. Because if you look into risk management strategies, the first thing you see is that your winners needs to be much bigger than your losses. But the companies in the prop firm will limit you, will set you consistency, so you cannot do whatever numbers you want to do unless you trade on Ticktick Trader and you have you have a specific ratio. So it's not about going blindly and trying to discover numbers from other traders, other numbers, and other ways of trading. It is about split testing, working through the process, and working with a very simple concept: trial and error. Trial and error. That's how you make it to the profitable levels. The great part about prop firms is you can do trial and error at a much lower cost. So that's why this space is really valuable for me, because you can do this, and you as a community, you guys as a traders, you can do this at much lower cost. At the time you crack the code and you climb in a profitable manner, it's just about scaling, right? It's just about putting funds on live, which is something that's going to happen on my Ticktick Trader, making money there, scaling, and doing all this stuff, guys. We got a guy here that we're gonna ban. He's promoting a bullshit. Any promotion and stuff like that, we're gonna ban this guy. Any bullshit trading software promotion and stuff like that, that's to be totally avoided, especially in our community. Do not underestimate our intelligence. We will not play with that. There you go. Thank you, guys. Good job, Martin. You see, this is why, some people do blame the prop firm space, considering that it's just a bunch of simulatory playground without any possibilities of making money. Totally false. Totally false. You do start making money at some point. You just have to hit a level of threshold in your numbers performance. That's what you got to do. The ones that are making money today do not mean they've made money a year ago, 2 years ago, or during the times they started and fighting through the process. So you have to look at those examples as possible personal cases. It's just today you are at a stage towards the achievement of breaking even and making money, right? Which is how we have been all. I mean, my first 2 or 3 months here on live stream, I had no payouts. Think about it, guys. Few months on stream, no payouts. Our community was growing. Our community kept watching. Our community kept supporting. Our community was here having a great time. We were going in the right direction. And at some point, the payouts are coming. It's the same thing. You are just in a specific stage of the segment of your progress bar towards success. Could take another 2 months, 2 years, a year, or whatever value in time. But the most important part is, as soon as you tweak your skills and apply changes based on the feedback you receive from the activity you're doing, you can make it. This is what I'm thinking about it, guys. Alright, so this is where we are right now. Market's clearly holding around the 25,000s. I mean, look at that. This trading is wildly simple. You have a pivot point here. Previous top converting into support. And this is giving you so many points. Like, you just get into 990s. Right? 990s. You have 18 points for this moment. Earlier you had 22 points. Right? I mean, even with 3 contracts, at $60 per point, 10 points, it's $600. So simple to grab an entry here. Even if this is not going to hold forever, even if it does this, you still made your money, guys. This is very important for you to understand. That there are levels that are giving little bounces. They're not giving bounces of 200 points or 80 points or 50 points. So if you are trading for 50 points, it's a lot harder to achieve than 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 points out there. A lot harder. Tremendously harder, I would say. Good job, Matt. Exactly. So from 5 days, we were having 4 days red. That's how we were having on the stream, guys. And we were blowing accounts one after the other. Make sure to like the videos, be subscribed, and you got the second payout achieved with Ticktick Trader Straight to Funded Plus. Congratulations, buddy. You probably got the last point today. Good job. How much do you have? Or how much will you have after this payout is going to be confirmed? How much will you have in your live wallet? After this payment is going to be completed, let me know how much will you have in your live wallet. So that's my advice to you guys. And I think it's really valuable. Make sure to like the video. We're gonna publish things about prop firms on my channel, and I'm working for that website for already a couple of months. Like a website where I do review prop firms and we talk about multiple prop firms and you can make your best decisions out there. That's good job, buddy. You got paid. All right. So if you've been working only with a single account, that you can think about that $5,000 mark, right? Because your threshold for live is 5,000 if you had just a single account at a time. If you never had more than a single of straight to funded plus, if you never had more than a single, and if you did everything with a single active, then your threshold for live is 5,000. If you have more than one, up to 10 active, you need a few more payouts if you're going with a single. If you're going with multiple accounts, then you can actually have your threshold of 10,000 in, quite quickly, I would say. Like in 5 accounts, you get 4,000 in your threshold if you reach to pay out with 5 accounts. We don't have CPI news today. We don't have them. We don't have them. Yeah. Oh, look at that drop, guys. We're out here for Savius. Testing out 2 contracts. Why do we have that pretty strong drop? Oh. We have this account where we need only 1 more day. Think about it. Oh, look at the buying pressure. Did not expect that one. I basically sold the contract. I fully sold everything, 380 bucks, accepted a loss. We only need 1 more day here, and we qualify for the payout on Savius too. Think about it. Because we need 100. We need 5%. 7,500 on top of the 150. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. Come on. Like the video, be subscribed. We're having, yes, this is Savius accounts. The new accounts on Savius. That's the link right there. The new accounts on Savius that are visible exclusively for our community, 60% off. So a 150k account at 256. Payout 2,700 on Savius. Target at 5%. Think about it. Target at 5%. Targeted 5%. Testing out a little long here. I'm not requesting that much from this. Just to take the high around 25. We got a stop loss there protecting us from the wicks and from the non-send reactions. Keep going. Keep going. Let's go. Not looking bad. Putting the stop loss and break even. I don't want to see a cliff here. We got to touch that break even. Like the video, guys, we got 2 giveaways scheduled for today. Sitting around the top here. Wondering what's gonna do next. It's not looking bad at all in terms of the price section. Which is why I've longed it. If we get into the hourly, we clearly see how the last man standing is around 45, right? So there should be 30 points here. All the way back to this top, 30 points here to be delivered. Right. I don't think that's any kind of challenge. Shouldn't be that challenging. Got into a little long here. Hello. So today we're 6 out of 6. 6 out of 6 on tap on futures. We haven't traded Ticktick Trader because we are on pause. And we're kind of trading the last day here for Savius for a nice payout possibility. We would actually touch the target today on 7,500. It's at 5%. Let's go, guys. Come on. We got 8 minis. We're so ready for this. We got 8 minis. Looking for breaking out that 25. Just a couple of points. Putting the break even right there. Let's go, guys. Come on. Send it higher. No. Do not dare to totally reverse. Do not dare to totally... I actually sold 4 contracts. Yeah. Actually sold 4 contracts. Yeah, we touched the break even. No, but we recovered a lot. We were down 380 and now we're down 145. So we recovered about $245. Which is going nicely. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. Let's see if the pullback continues here with the current algo. Putting a break even right there. Stay on the live stream. It's going to be on the live stream a little bit later at the US opening, about 30 minutes from now. In the meantime, like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel as well, join our Discord. I'm out of this trade, guys. We have put ourselves on a little profit there, fully recovering the loss. The giveaway is going to be on the live stream. You have to be here to participate. You just have to be here. Got into a little long here. Add a little more to this. Looking pretty smooth, guys, for the retest of the highs. If we go into the 27, that would actually give me sufficient. Let's see. We need 7,500 for the payout. I'm also going to utilize a pretty tight stop loss there. I don't want to get soft breach on the daily loss. Daily loss is on soft breach, so you need to set a stop loss prior to the daily loss and make it soft breach. You can make your hard breach into a soft breach by applying this strategy, guys. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Come on. Only 1,000 today. It's discounted. Really discounted. By the way, today we're going to have huge discounts on the Tap 1 Futures anniversary. My link, my code will give you something astonishing. Plus, on top of that, you will be able to have more accounts than usually. Oh, there you go. Let's have this one back on track. It's not looking good. I've actually cut half of it. Accepted a 400 bucks loss. Had to do it, guys. Thank you. I actually cut half of it for the existence of the risk to fall below 25.10. Falling below that could actually give me 24,990. And that makes no sense for me. So I had to cut it away. Partially for the moment. Add a little more to this. If we get a flush into whatever we traded today on Savius did not work. Yeah. We touched the loss. We still have like $200 away from here. Opening up a contract. See if we can recover something with a single contract. If this is going all the way back to the top, then we have a chance. Because the max loss of the day is 2,000. So we'll still have some room there. We're pushed back with this performance with a single day. We're at day number 6 here. No, day number 5. The last day, because we have 20% consistency. And if you're making the same amount for 5 days in a row, the maximum needed, 1,500 a day, you have sufficient basically for the payout. This was the 5th day. Not an issue. The account is having a lot of the drawdown. As the total drawdown is pretty good. Adding a little more to this. And setting my stop loss there. In case we reverse here, makes sense to accelerate a little bit. It's a possible place of reversal. Good morning, everyone. Welcome, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. We've got 2 giveaways scheduled today. $75,000 instant funding giveaways. Tap on futures and Ticktick Trader. By the way, yesterday we qualified for a Ticktick Trader $10,000 payout. Requested today. And it's also the moment we are going to be transitioned to live. Right? So we're speaking about a massive moment out there for our community. Everything that we performed has been done on the live stream totally transparently. And that feels great for me. No daily loss for the live account. We touched the 1,930. There's no more room here. I don't want to go below. So we touched the daily limit that I set. Never mind. Yeah, the maximum contract size is going to be decided by the company in a custom way, specifically by the risk manager you have, depending on the way you traded. They will decide for you. And let me share with you what are other rules. Yeah. First trade on the live account. I said about the first payout on the live account, everything that I receive as first payout is going completely, totally back in cash format, in giveaways to our community. Right? So if I take out $1,000, I'm going to share that $1,000 with you guys. As much as I receive on the first payout goes back to our community in cash format. We're going to organize a giveaway and do this, guys. So this is going to happen, going live with Straight to Funded Plus. No profit score for tracking. No daily loss limit. Daily multiple withdrawals allowed. Qualify for profit transfer. You can move money from your sim funded into your live accounts. If you want to do that, you can do that. There is a procedure. If you want to do it, you can do it. And there is 80 to 20 profit split on withdrawals, which is absolutely nice. Exactly. It's been going on with your great support, guys, with your great community. Let's put it out there. Pressure, you know, this for me, it's a positive pressure. I'm not going to categorize pressure into a negative spotlight. I think this is qualifying for my experience into a positive effect, and I'll tell you why. Because live streaming for me changed my level and performance of discipline. So I've been accountable in front of my community and pushed me so hard. I actually needed that. A lot of the people underperform under such pressure circumstances. I overperformed. This helped me. I've seen this one as a nice stepping stone. So this is what it means going live with Straight to Funded Plus. That's the link, guys, for Ticktick Trader. You can grab your accounts. Unfortunately, today on Savius, I touched my limit. And we have to wait till tomorrow. Let's see how quickly do we get paid from Ticktick Trader and how quickly do we transition to live. A very important subject. A lot of the people question. I'm going to keep you updated. So let's see. how the live stream helped me? Well, live stream helped me to take the whole process at the highest seriousness level, right? So seriousness was one thing for me when I did prop firms before the live stream, and that happened just, you know, for 2 months or something like that. It's going to be the first live account with Ticktick Trader. Actually, this is the first live account on any prop firm. We only started to trade as a day trade on futures with prop firms for 7-8 months, something like that, slightly more than half a year. But I've been trading, swing trading in the crypto space since 2014, so we have 11 years between the charts, between the markets, and between consuming the emotions. Which is why I'm not afraid, or I'm not having anything against going 5-7 minis. I've developed a strategy by trading like that. Yeah. Well, stick with us on our live stream. It's gonna be daily, and I'm just gonna trade on live stream. This is how we qualified, guys, for the live stream trading. Specifically, we got on 5 copy traded accounts, great performance, back-to-back payouts. I wish I would have been a miner in 2011. It wouldn't have been bad. But I got in 2014 BTC below $500. I sold a lot of it, so you got to think about it. When you're investing 1,000 and you have 50, or when you're investing 2,000 and you have 50, or when you're investing 5,000 and you have 50, it not only makes sense to sell, but that's what you have to do financially speaking. In terms of correct finance, you got to do it. Such investment bringing such numbers is just way beyond greatness. It's not about buying something at $200 and expecting you would hold it to generate you $5 million, because it's not going to happen. You will sell a lot earlier, and you have to sell. Like, I think you have to sell. Otherwise, you get into that side of the problem where you never sell and the market is dying. I mean, BTC is still here. It's having a good time, but we have a lot of the cryptos that are no longer performing. So you have to hear the feedback from the ones that haven't sold their altcoins. You gotta sell. So it's not really possible, and it doesn't really matter you bought when it was 500. You sold a lot of it. Like a massive portion of it, you've sold it. Like, there is no reason to hold unless you have many other hundreds of millions or billions and whatever. This is something like a joke and you're holding for a such thing. But otherwise, think about when you see a market drop of 60%, next time when it goes up, you're selling everything, guys. Like, the market teaches you to do that. And the feelings you're going through will teach you to do that. It's not easy. It's hard. Cryptos in the past cycles dumped more than 90%, so. Ethereum is going to fly a lot. Ethereum, I think. Ethereum is going to have the ability to go above that $10,000 mark this cycle. XRP is going to be a good one as well. As soon as it's going to have its run with the Ethereum, with the alts in this cycle, suggesting to get out and buy back a lot cheaper later on when BTC is coming down as well. I mean, we're going to have a correction in Bitcoin that's going to cross 40%, right? And that time when BTC does that, you will have to accumulate. You better sell. The way I've been trading for the past years in swing trading was simple. As a philosophy behind my trading is average out in strength, average in weakness. That's the way I've been doing. averaging out on strength, and then averaging in on weakness. And sometimes I'm not touching anything for months. So this is the way you actually have a tremendous performance throughout the years. Thank you, by the way, for watching. We got the giveaway starting soon. Giveaway starts in 15 minutes. Make sure to like the video. Market is holding once again on 25,000. That's a lovely spot to go for an entry. You see, an entry at this level is definitely justified. And that would have give you about 12 points. With 12 points, you should hit your target, guys. Think about how you can hit your target with 10, 12 points. 7 points, 8 points. Think about that one. Because such moves are easy to be predicted. And you can predict, I mean, specifically speaking about my numbers, I can predict these moves so often that they're overwhelming my losses. Now, I'm not going to get the live account this week. So first of all, I have to receive the payment, and I just requested my payout a couple of hours ago. I have to receive my payment. Once I receive my $10,000, I will be receiving a risk manager appointment, and we have to discuss and deal with that risk management with a broker that I have to decide and choose. So we're gonna see how it works. We are exchanging a few emails. We're speaking about it, we're discussing, we're dealing, we're negotiating, right? And this is gonna take some days. Like I said in my yesterday's live stream, I'm expecting my live trading account to be ready by the end of the next week or by early Monday on 27th, which is the last week of the month. So I'm expecting, basically, in a nutshell, in October to be on live. But certainly I'm not expecting this to happen in the next 3 to 4 days, because it takes time to exchange a whole lot of things, sign the documents, do the verifications, and do all these things with the broker company. Ticktick Trader is depositing real money into that account. It takes time. It's no longer a problem. Certainly no longer a problem. As soon as it's just a matter of time. I'm very happy about this thing, guys, on Ticktick Trader with Straight to Funded Plus Live. Look at that. Daily multiple withdrawals allowed. Look at that, guys. Daily multiple withdrawals allowed. I think that's really nice. If we make $500 in the first trade, we can take it out. If we make another $500 in the second trade, we can take that out as well. Like, this is so rare and so efficient. You have no daily loss limit. Obviously, they're not going to allow you with a 10,000 or 12,000, depends how much I'm going to get. They're not going to allow me 10 minis or stuff like that for sure. 5 minis. I don't think they will allow 5 minis. I don't think so. I think they will allow less than 5 minis. But that's fine. Even with 2 or 3 minutes, you can do $500, $700, $800 in a trade. If you're trading at the opening, it's big liquidity, big volatility. Even though I don't like the opening that much, like the pre-opening, and you have seen that. Not after 7 days, from the first day. From the first day. I think I'm gonna get a $10,000 or $12,000 account. That's the threshold. 10,000 is the threshold. And we've passed that threshold. We're in 12,000 actually. I don't know if they're gonna give me the minimal threshold of 10,000 or they will give me the 12. Because we're gonna have $12,000 in the live wallet. We have received 3 times $4,000 each from each payout, 4 grand, and we got 3 payouts like that. You can actually have, on live account, daily withdrawals on Straight to Funded Plus. On live account. On live account. You can grow your live balance. You don't need to withdraw. Obviously, you don't need to withdraw. You can grow that up. The point is to be satisfied on a personal targets, on a personal note, and have a level of satisfaction as well based on your goals. If your goal is to make, I don't know, 20 grand quickly and not to build it into the hundreds of thousands or whatever, I mean, depends. Depends. But obviously for the long term, I'm here for the long term game. I'd like to have this live account in a year from now as well. And I wouldn't mind having this live account in a year from now at 50 grand while cashing out 50 grand. Right? I wouldn't mind. Making 50 grand on live in a year, it's 5,000 a month. I wouldn't mind doing that. And still having 50 grand right there available for trading. You know, it's like you want to make $1,000 in a day. You sit down, you do your 1 grand, and that's it. Like, you know, trading is beautiful if you think about how this business works. The only thing is not just about the things that you want. Sometimes you also have to be able to do it. Like most of the times, you got to be able to do it. Couple of minutes. We've got 5 minutes for the opening. What's happening? Look at this one, guys. I've talked about the... Let me just organize my screen a little bit here for this whole thing to be more visible. I talked about this level for gold. Not for gold, for the US dollar, for the DXY. We talked about this level. I told you, if we are reclaiming this level, pushing slightly above 101, taking it back right below the 100s, and then finding support here between these 2 blue lines. You gotta convert that level into your support if you want to be bullish about US dollar, and you could expect the 106. You can expect this level if that happens. If you get a resistance triggered between the 2 blue lines, and that's gonna be converted as supply, then I'm expecting in the upcoming months for the markets to lose that 96 levels lows and continue. 8 a.m. EST time. We always start trading at 8 a.m. from Monday to Friday. Having a great time, of course. Keep up with our schedule on Discord, guys, or you can keep up with our schedule on our YouTube channel. You will always see my live stream scheduled. Right, so if you go to my YouTube channel, that's why you gotta subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If you go to my channel and you go to live, you will be able to see if there's anything scheduled. Welcome, buddy. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. Let's nicely bring up those numbers. We only have a single minute to go and the market opens. So, once the market is opened, I'll leave you 5 minutes and we do the giveaways. 5 minutes into the opening and we do the giveaways. Let's see what's happening here. Good luck, guys. Careful with your trading and sizings. We are pretty extended today. So we're gonna see those volatility wicks that are eating up accounts, stop losses, trailings, whatever. We made good money today on Tap on Futures, 6 out of 6 accounts, and on Savius we did touch the daily loss limit. Not an issue. We haven't not lost the account. We're just 2 days away from the payout over there. 10 seconds to go. Let's just have that bell. And here you go. The opening bell. Boom. 20 points down. Keeps running. And it's still sliding. $9.25 up to 9.40s is a very strong level. 9.25 up to 9.40s. I think bulls are capable to fight back and digest all the selling pressure. It's been about the bulls today, so we're gonna discover what's next. Of course, I'm not really trading the opening today. I don't have accounts on Ticktick Trader. They are paused because we just requested a payout. And I'm waiting for the Tap on Futures massive discount starting today. I'm going to post a video, guys, with my coupon code SCRAMBLE. You will be able to have a 6 months anniversary crazy discount. But we're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about it on my channel. We're going to talk about it on my Discord. We're going to talk about it tomorrow and so on. After requesting payout in Ticktick Trader, how long to have it approved and get paid? I'm expecting up to 48 business hours. I'm expecting up to 48 business hours. And after this, I'm expecting to get in touch with a live trading transitioning process, which is going to take, I'm expecting on that one as well, around 7 to 10 days probably. Like, I do hope by the end of the month or the last week of the month, we are trading live. I do hope. No, Tap on Futures has end of the day drawdown. This one's. The instant sim funded, guys. The instant sim funded is having end of the day drawdown. So you will be able to trade those with today's massive discounts that will be announced on my channel. And I'm sharing with you my link, guys. You have option with easier accounts on 20% consistency. End of the day drawdown. If you still have an issue with a slow payout, you got to reach out to me. I can help you run with that. But there is an issue basically on your side with the payout. Certainly, there is a additional verification. Not 70. I mean, 70 would be too much, right? I'm telling you, 70 would be... Oh, you've been waiting for live, but depends how you got to. Straight to funded plus, it is about 7 to 10 business days. Straight to funded plus. If you got to live for Ticktick, there's 2 different account models and 2 different ways of going live. Straight to funded plus have one model of going live, and a total different one, which takes more, come from the straight to funded accounts. Right, so from the ones that have the plus, straight to funded plus, the new model is moving you to live a lot faster. The straight to funded model is taking you way more. Way more. But nowadays, we're kind of all training with this one. Nowadays. Like a lot of our members from the community do trade with that one. Beautiful, guys. So time to go bring in some excitement, right? Time to bring in some excitement and get some nice games going around. Get some games going around. Wait, do not write. Follow the rules. This is how you participate. Like the video. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. And the third thing, you gotta join our Discord. So you have all the 3 things you need there to participate in the first giveaway, which is going to be a 25,000 Top 1 Futures Sim Pro account. This is going to be the first giveaway. The second giveaway will be 50,000 TTT straight to funded plus. The second giveaway, right? Beautiful. Get ready, guys. Let's go. Come on, let's start. Let me know your numbers. Let's go. Come on. Good luck, guys. And we gotta stop there. No more. That's it. No more. That's it, guys. No more. We're gonna shuffle this. And pull the trigger. This was the first giveaway. If you've been guessing between the starting time and ending time, you're gonna be part of. Otherwise, just stick with me, guys. There's gonna be the second giveaway coming out soon. Right, so stay for the second giveaway. I'm kind of smelling that 0 on green. What do you guys think about that 0 on green? Should I use the pedal, which is below my desk? Pressing a little more, and then we're hitting the brake pedal. Let me change on to that. There you go. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. We got the 0. We got the 0 right here. Congratulations for the winners. I'll take you to the duck race. I'll take you on the duck race. Let's see how many of you did guess that one. I don't think there's many. 25 guys out there. 25 guys. So you have exactly 4% chance of winning. 4. It's not bad. No shuffle. Just start. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Let's go. Come on. 4% chance of winning. Not bad. There's a bunch of situations where we got 40, 45 people winning per number. Once again, guys, like the video to participate in the next giveaway. Be subscribed and join the Discord. The next one is going to be about Ticktick Trader. Couple of seconds. Who's going to make the final step? We got the Universal Trader with number 9. There you go. Congratulations. We got you, buddy. Universal Trader with number 9 right there. Hey, good job. We got you with that one. Beautiful. Beautiful. Congratulations. You did a great job. Time for $50,000 straight to funded. Plus, once again, if you join fresh, like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Keep doing these things, guys. If you have restrictions for Ticktick Trader, do not join. If you have restrictions as a country, do not join. Let's go. We can start. Let me know your numbers. Come on. Let's go. Good luck, guys. And we gotta stop no more. That's it. No more. We got you. Few shuffles. And the last one. Boom. Come on. Let's go. $50 grand for the Ticktick Trader. We have a double 5. Do we get there, guys? What do you guys think about? Yeah, we get there. I think that's going to be the blue number 5. Look at that. Not really. Looks like not. Oh, that was pretty close. Pretty close. Wow. We got you. The number 4 is the winner. Congratulations. I don't think we have more than 30. I don't think we have more than 30. We're going to find it out. 24, actually less by 1 than what we had earlier. Congratulations. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. 50K. Come on. 50K. You got this. Look at the monster. He's ranked number 1 right now. Look at the monster ranked number 1. Someone is speeding up, guys. Someone is speeding up. Look at that one. Who's gonna take the lead? We got 2 boys right there competing, but Summer is coming from behind. Oh, monster. Hey, we got a Kendall. We got a Kendall boy right here winning. And we got congratulations for the $50,000 account. Quantum, you are 3rd. Look at that. Congratulations, Kendall. Great job. Congrats for the winner. This is the second. Or the third. Indeed, it's extremely visible and extremely rigged as well. Congratulations for the winners. Great job, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day out there. Have a lovely time. Reach out to me on Discord for the winners. And keep an eye on the YouTube channel. I'm going to post about big, crazy, huge discounts. And that's going to be amazing, guys. So once again, have a lovely time. Looking forward to our next session tomorrow. Looking forward to getting paid. Looking forward starting the transitioning on live. Looking forward to grabbing some Tap on Futures accounts, expanding my Savius as well, and see what we can do with other firms as well. Have a lovely day once again. Beautiful times. Careful. Peace. Love.